This one word is making you sound so insecure. This is How to Convince with Lawyer Vince, and I teach communication skills I've learned as a lawyer. All you need to do is cut out one word from your sentences, and that word is just. Instead of saying, I just want to follow up, or I just have a quick question, instead you're replacing that word with an active verb. So you're saying, I am following up, or I want to ask you a quick question. This is going to make you sound way more assertive because using the word just, it makes you sound like you're actually scared to do that. You're scared to ask a question or you're scared to follow up. Instead, when you use an active verb, you're making your presence felt, and that's going to make you sound way more assertive. Save this video and give me a follow.